In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails locally in Outlook. There are a couple of straightforward ways to keep a secure offline copy of your messages, and I'll walk you through each so you can choose the one that fits your workflow. First up is the quickest option. With Outlook open, simply click an email in your inbox and drag it straight to a folder on your desktop or in File Explorer. When you drop it there, Outlook creates a file copy of that message. This is great for one-off saves or when you want to archive a few emails alongside related documents. For neatness, consider creating a dedicated folder before you start, and feel free to rename the saved file so it's easy to find later. The message's formatting and any attachments remain part of that file, so you can double-click it to open it back in your Mail app. If you want more control over the file type, open the email first so it's in its own window, then go to File, choose Save As, and pick the location where you want to store it. Here you can choose a format that suits your needs. Outlook message format preserves the email exactly as it appears in Outlook and is ideal if you plan to reopen it there. EML is a widely compatible choice that works with many email clients. You can also choose HTML or plain text when you only need the content and not the full email structure. Select the format, give the file a clear name, and save. This method is especially useful when you're organizing a larger archive and want consistent file types across all saved messages. If you use Outlook on the web and want ongoing access without an internet connection, you can enable offline mode. Click the gear icon in the top right to open settings, go to General, then find the offline section, toggle on Activate Offline Emails, Calendars, and People. This stores copies on your device so you can read and search selected mail even when you're offline. You'll be able to choose which folders to keep offline, which is helpful for controlling storage use. Focus on folders with critical messages like your inbox or a dedicated archive. Keep in mind that the initial sync may take a moment and the space used depends on how much mail you select. That's all there is to it. Use drag and drop for quick saves, save as for precise formats, and offline mode on the web for ongoing access. With these options, your important emails are safely at your fingertips whenever you need them.